Hello my dear friend technology and heavy machinery enthusiasts. Come to our channel to explore the powerful world of machinery worldwide. Let's discover the strength and performance of these machines in large-scale projects. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to receive notifications for our latest videos. First, let's start with a collection of dump excavators, all of which are powerful and equipped with large buckets. The CAT 966H loader stands out with its massive size and sturdy design. It is powered by a robust Caterpillar C11 diesel engine, delivering up to 262 horsepower. It has a bucket capacity ranging from 3.5 to 5.5 cubic meters and a high dumping clearance of about 3.6 meters, allowing easy material discharge into dump sites or trucks. The Caterpillar 992G is manufactured by Caterpillar Inc., headquartered in Peoria, Illinois, United States. This company has been renowned worldwide for many years in the construction machinery industry. The Caterpillar 992G machine has an operating weight of approximately 94 tons and is designed with a bucket capacity of 16 cubic meters. It also utilizes a hydraulic steering system, providing flexible maneuverability and easy direction control. The Caterpillar CAT 950H loader is a reliable and popular machine in construction and earthmoving. It can efficiently complete assigned tasks with a bucket width of 1.8 meters, a height of 1 meter, and a bucket capacity of 4.5 cubic meters. Equipped with a Caterpillar C7 Acert diesel engine with a maximum power output of around 197 horsepower, this loader provides strong performance for operators in various operations. The CAT 988F is considered a higher-end excavator compared to the CAT 950H loader. With a maximum engine power of around 375 horsepower and an operating weight of 49 to 52 tons, it can handle large-scale construction and mining tasks. Equipped with a large bucket capacity ranging 11.5 cubic meters, the CAT 988F can transport significant volumes of materials such as rock blocks. Fire trucks are designed to respond quickly and effectively in emergency firefighting situations. One crucial component of a fire truck is the ladder, which serves an essential purpose. The ladder needs sufficient length to access high-rise buildings and requires flexibility to retract and extend rapidly, minimizing the time needed to extinguish the flames. Subscribe to our channel today to experience engaging videos about fascinating heavy machinery. Witness the extraordinary capabilities of these super machines and explore the world of heavy machinery through high-quality videos. Dabian, also known as the largest SUV in the world, is a design masterpiece by Sheikh Hamad bin Hamdan Al Nahyan, a prominent owner from the United Arab Emirates. This vehicle is imposing with its enormous size, measuring approximately 10 meters long and weighing up to 24 tons. It is built on a truck chassis and equipped with a powerful diesel engine that generates 425 horsepower, allowing it to traverse any terrain, including deserts. The CAT D11T, introduced in 2008, gained worldwide recognition as the most potent bulldozer of its time, weighing up to 104 tons. With such substantial weight, it has a C32 Acert diesel engine generating an impressive 850 horsepower. The 3-track undercarriage system enhances the machine's mobility and power. With its robust design, the CAT D11T is ready to tackle any task in construction and mining operations. Prinoth Light Wolf is a snow groomer produced by the company Prinoth. It has a track system, wheel move rollers for enhanced traction, and a rear-wheel drive engine. This machine can move and push large amounts of snow. Its low and sturdy frame performs well on snow, and its large fuel tank allows for continuous operation for many hours. The Big Baler 1290 High Density is a robust and high-performance baling machine. It produces bales with dimensions of 90 centimeters x 80 centimeters and can compress material such as straw, grass, wheat, and corn. The bale's weight depends on the material being compressed, typically ranging from 400 kilograms to 900 kilograms. With its advanced dual-gear baling system, this machine is reliable and an excellent choice for farmers and contractors looking for efficient baling equipment. Horsch Robo Autonomous Planter is a planting machine developed by Horsch, a leading company in agricultural technology. With a large payload capacity of 12 tons, it can transport many seeds or crop materials on each trip. The Horsch Robo Planter is prepared to work with various tree planting structures such as Maestro, Avatar, Certo, Cruiser, which have either 12 or 18 meters widths. This enables farmers to be flexible in selecting and using the appropriate planter according to their needs. Scarbat is an advanced and efficient solution for beach cleaning and waste collection. The machine can trim and cut the seaweed into small blocks for groups using brushes and a towing system. Furthermore, the device has a recovery system to filter and separate seaweed from sand and other materials. This machine serves as a quick method for cleaning beaches along long coastlines. The Metso LT120 is equipped with a powerful electric motor and a high-quality particle crushing system, allowing the machine to process stones with sizes of up to 48 inches. It has 2 crushing jaws, a mobile jaw, a fixed jaw, and a big rotor. The mobile jaw moves up and down continuously, maintaining a fixed gap distance with the fixed jaw. This is an efficient crushing mechanism where stones are crushed through this robust jaw system. Deep in situ compaction is a specialized mechanism used to compact soft soil areas. With its evenly distributed triangular roller design and rounded edges, this machine can generate high pressure by moving and pounding into the ground. The collision process generates powerful compressive force, effectively compacting the soil subgrade. Komatsu WA900 is a large wheel loader designed specifically for mining operations. With an operating weight of around 110 tons and a high-capacity bucket ranging from 11-15 cubic meters, this machine can handle and transport large volumes of material. One notable feature of the Komatsu WA900 is its use of track shoes, which enhances its mobility on challenging terrains and increases its traction power during movement. The Mary Crusher MJ 2.3 DT boasts astonishing power for land clearing and soil filling. With a powerful engine and a professional blade system, the machine can cut, crush, and grind trees, weeds, and other loose materials. It can quickly handle large trees and soil, resulting in a smooth surface. With engine power and professional blade design, this machine is an essential tool in the construction and forestry industry. This brick-making machine utilizes a rotating and compressing mechanism to produce high-quality rectangular bricks. By combining materials, the engine forms an optimized mixture for brick formation. Then the rotating wheel inside the device applies pressure and compresses the soil cement mixture, transforming it into desired shaped and sized bricks. This machine is widely used to produce various types of bricks with diverse sizes and shapes, from paving bricks to wall bricks. The John Deere 325G has a compact design but possesses tremendous power. With a turbocharged 2.9-liter diesel engine, this machine can quickly handle dense dust and vegetation. This powerful engine has a maximum output of around 74 horsepower and is equipped with a high-flow hydraulic system, providing up to 91 liters per minute. This enables the machine to operate flexibly and powerfully when connected to attachments and accessories like the Loftness tree grinder. The AHUI M650 is used for processing vegetation and ground cover materials. The machine features an intelligent and robust cutting blade system and a rotating rotor operating at a speed of 20 revolutions per minute, which crushes these materials into small pieces, facilitating their processing and disposal. Atlas 260 large-size crawler excavator is a product of modern technology that excels in the field of agriculture and forestry. With the ability to thin forests, cut trees, create access roads, this machine brings outstanding efficiency and utility to today's forestry industry. The Atlas 260 excavator is equipped with a circular saw, allowing it to uproot trees and clear bushes quickly and conveniently. Notably, the Atlas 260 crawler excavator has an adjustable cab for enhanced visibility and operator safety, along with a GPS global positioning system. The work of taking care of trees, cutting down, clearing the land becomes more efficient than ever with the effective support of this technology. Next, I would like to introduce the Merlo Roto 40.30 wheel loader and the Atlas 260 LC crawler excavator from Stuhlmacher Solar Technik from Putensen, Lüneburg district. These are impressive agricultural and forestry technologies designed for safe felling and removal. With the ability to work at heights of up to 30 meters, the Merlo Roto 40.30 telescopic forklift is a reliable and versatile tool for cutting trees, especially in hard-to-reach areas such as residential areas, rooftop, street, or urban garden. Furthermore, the Atlas 260 LC crawler excavator is a powerful and versatile machine equipped with a chainsaw and grab bucket, which efficiently handles tree parts. The Komatsu 835TX is a powerful, robust forestry equipment for clamping and transporting timber. With its strong clamping capabilities, the Komatsu 835TX can securely and quickly hold and load logs onto trucks. Its flexible design and stable center of gravity allow for easy maneuverability in challenging forest terrains. The advanced control system and spacious cabin provide the operator with a comfortable and safe working environment. Overall, the Komatsu 835TX is an essential tool in the forestry industry, helping to improve logging productivity and optimize workflow. The Liebherr R920 Compact is a multi-purpose crawler excavator belonging to the high-end industrial product line of Liebherr, a large and well-known industrial group in the field of industrial and construction machinery. The Liebherr R920 Compact is designed to be robust and flexible in challenging construction conditions. Its compact size and weight make it particularly suitable for tasks that require maneuvering and working in confined spaces. However, despite occupying a small area, the R920 Compact still ensures high performance and reliability in the work. The Caterpillar D9T bulldozer is currently being used to level a large mining area. With outstanding power and performance, the D9T quickly pushes and pulls large volumes of rock, creating a flat and level surface for the mining area. The Caterpillar D9T boasts a powerful motor that enhances work efficiency and reduces completion times. Its simultaneous operation allows to quickly complete challenging tasks during mining. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like and subscribe to the channel to experience the coolest machines with us. The Caterpillar 992B is a remarkable technological wonder in the construction and mining industries, packed with incredible features. With its considerable operating weight and extraordinary power, it has become a symbol of breakthroughs in the field. The Caterpillar 992B is equipped with a high-performance diesel engine that delivers high efficiency in excavating and moving large volumes of soil quickly and easily. Above all, the Caterpillar 992B stands for innovation and creativity in the construction and mining industries. Next is the OPP 200 machine, one of the unique product lines used to bury electric cables and electronic communication lines. The OPP 200 is the first choice for this type of work. Have you heard of CNC routing system HD 3D engraving from Pegasus? This incredible product for the arts and crafting industry has brought about an important revolution. The ability to create complex and realistic 3D sculptures opens up unlimited creative possibilities. The CNC routing system corrects minor imperfections and enables artists and manufacturers to express limitless creative possibilities, from exquisite patterns to iconic works of art. The Vermeer HG 4000 blender is a flagship mill manufactured by Vermeer Corporation. It is specifically designed for the handling and grinding of pine and other trees in forestry and woodworking applications. The Vermeer HG 4000 blender has a powerful and efficient motor that ensures optimum performance and energy savings. Its cutting and grinding system is designed to efficiently handle pine branches, trunks, and stumps. The Volvo L120H is a large and highly maneuverable wheel loader manufactured by Volvo Construction Equipment. Designed with state-of-the-art technology, the Volvo L120H is widely used in the snow removal industry to clear and move snow in large areas such as streets, airports, parking lots, and other public places. The Wirtgen WR2500S is a cold milling machine manufactured by the Wirtgen Group, a leader in the road construction and construction equipment industry. The Wirtgen WR2500S has a robust and efficient design that allows it to operate effectively in diverse and difficult terrain conditions. Notably, the Wirtgen WR2500S has cold cutting and recycling capabilities, allowing it to produce high-quality cold mixes in a simple and convenient process. The machine is equipped with advanced technologies to optimize the workflow and ensure the highest level of performance. The Wirtgen SM2500 surface mining machine is a powerful and efficient machine used in the quarry and limestone industry. Wirtgen SM2500 has a powerful and advanced capacity that makes it possible to operate on many different terrains, from mountainous areas to flat land, ensuring high flexibility during operation. It can cut thin and precise layers, optimize the mining process, and make efficient use of resources. With its impressive performance and efficient process, the Wirtgen SM2500 surface mining machine has become the first choice of many quarry and limestone enterprises worldwide. In the process, Alti-Skog cranes and state-of-the-art equipment remove obstacles and other unwanted materials along the roads. Tasks can be done quickly and efficiently with versatile machinery, including Alti-Skog saws and cranes. The cleanup not only ensures that power lines and cables remain clear and safe, but also creates favorable conditions for the growth of trees and forests. Hitachi KMC 406 and Liebherr R 960 are powerful excavators that specialize in demolition work. Hitachi KMC 406 and Liebherr R 960 are designed for safety and efficiency during demolition. They have a robust design and unique features to handle different types of building materials quickly and efficiently. The Fendt 939 tractor and Lemken spring seeder are essential tools in organic farming. The Fendt 939 is one of the flagship products of the Fendt brand, designed to deliver optimum performance and excellence. It is equipped with the Fendt Variotronic, which allows the farmer to control and adjust the tractor functions with ease. On the other hand, the Lemken spring seeder is also an important tool in the organic farming process. Its spring seeding system ensures that seeds are placed at the correct depth and spacing between rows, improving planting efficiency and increasing yields. Overall, this combination represents a significant advance in modern agriculture. The AVR Puma is one of the state-of-the-art harvesters used by major Dutch contractors to harvest potatoes in a 10-acre field. The AVR Puma self-propelled machine has advanced components that allow for fast and precise cutting and harvesting of potatoes. With the support of powerful means of transport such as New Holland T7, 270 Blue Power, New Hampshire TM 150, Case YH Maxim 5150, the transportation of harvested potatoes is also convenient and efficient. The UOT 2000 Forest Excavator is a heavy-duty machine designed to operate in harsh environments. With the ability to withstand harsh winter conditions, this excavator demonstrates outstanding performance when working on icy terrain and areas with heavy snow. Equipped with an optimized rail system and dust shield, it ensures excellent traction and stability on rough snow. We hope these images have provided you with interesting experiences and valuable information about the power and efficiency of modern technology. We are committed to providing quality and valuable content for enjoyable and useful experiences. With the support and encouragement of the audience, we will continue to develop and perfect the program content. See you in the next episode with more interesting and new things. Thank you and see you again. First of all, I have to talk about the Braca M36B planting tiller. The Braca M36B is a tillage machine for the forestry industry manufactured by Braca Forest AB, a company specializing in technological products and solutions for the forestry industry. It has 3 arms to dig trenches and till the ground to facilitate faster reforestation. In addition, it is equipped with various technologies such as independent steering system, water pump, and intelligent remote control system. Next, you and I will consider the New Holland Harvester, a versatile piece of equipment widely used in harvesting. With powerful capacity and high performance, the New Holland Harvester makes the harvesting process fast, saving time and money. In addition, the New Holland Harvester can automatically adjust the blade height to ensure proper and lossless harvesting, and is equipped with a milling unit for easy separation of wheat kernels and husks without much effort. Have you ever seen a harvest line like this? The Intercrate Salad Harvester with fresh totes is a unique piece of equipment in modern agriculture. Fresh totes is a unique solution from Intercrate that makes the salad harvesting process highly efficient. At the same time, it can collect and store salads in fresh totes containers, helping to maintain product quality and freshness. In addition, Fresh Totes is also equipped with an automatic control system, making the harvesting process quick and easy. Still on the topic of the harvest line, this machine is called FHT4 Vertical Bar Vegetable. It is a line that harvests various fruits such as melons, pineapples, and even cabbages. FHT4 Vertical Bar. The vegetable harvester is manually controlled, so it is very flexible. How the farmers harvest the melons can be easily observed and loaded onto the conveyor belt to be loaded onto the collection truck. Can you tell me if you like eating watermelon? John Deere 7520 is one of the agricultural machines manufactured by John Deere, one of the leading brands of agricultural equipment worldwide. John Deere 7520 is equipped with a 6-cylinder diesel engine, with a capacity of 6.8 liters, maximum capacity of 150 horsepower, maximum torque of 620 nanometers. It also has a Power Quad Plus transmission, allowing for quick and easy speed adjustments. The John Deere 7520 also features an AutoTrack autopilot, making it one of the most advanced tractors in terms of land handling. This is a clever invention. Crusher has a tracking system, accompanied by the most advanced LV600 radio control system. The device is equipped with a shredding mechanism, which is small and flexible, allowing it to clear grass in small areas. Have you ever wondered how the chain or tire protector is fitted to the wheel? We are witnessing a forestry crane installing anti-slip and tire protection devices. When logging on the hillside, this machine must install such tools. Named Schulte 2500, this is a version of the Schulte stone picker. The Schulte 2500 is manufactured by Schulte Industries, a company based in Canada. The Schulte 2500 rock picker is simply designed and is attached to a tractor powerful enough to operate it. The machine can work effectively on mountainous terrain or other rugged terrain. Thank you for visiting our heavy machinery channel. Subscribe not to miss new videos and continue exploring the powerful world of various types of machinery. See you in upcoming videos.